Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can share CapCut edited videos to TikTok. So in this case, I'm using a template from CapCut and I want to share it to my TikTok. For example, I want to add. Okay, so this one's right here, and then I'm going to just click on use template and find the video that I want to use. Okay, and then click on next. Okay, so in here I'm going to export the video first. Okay, so when you click on export on template, you can see there's an export without watermark, and this will bring you directly to TikTok. So just click on this button, and here you can see there it will be automatically switched to TikTok. Okay, so after it's finished exporting, you will be directed to TikTok, and then if you want to share it to your TikTok account, you can just click on next, and then after that click on post, or you can also add some caption first. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks below. I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye.